the mighty name of Jesus.
Oh, let the Son of God enfold you with His Spirit and His love. Let Him fill your heart and satisfy your soul. Oh, let Him have the things that hold you with His Spirit like a dove. Will descend upon your life and make you whole. Jesus, oh Jesus, come and fill your land. Jesus, oh Jesus, come and fill your land. Oh, come and sing a song with gladness as your heart so filled with joy. Lift your hands as we surrender to His name. Oh, give Him all your tears and sadness. Give Him all